Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best 3D printers available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 4 we have Dremel 3D printer. It is designed for high quality and reliability. This is the engine that powers the 3D45 Forward. The direct drive all-metal extruder is clog resistant and delivers smooth 3D prints. This high-powered extruder heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for flexibility in different print materials. The filament run-out detection resumes printing where you left off when filament runs out. The built-in automatic leveling sensor adds precision leveling for even more reliable printing. This sensor detects any variation in the print bed and automatically accounts for it for more successful printing. On number 3 we have FlashForge 3D printer. It has double efficiency of the mirror printing. You can Creator Pro to make it come true that more complicated prints can be printed perfectly. This rapid steady heating prevent model warping, much easier to take down models. It's suitable for various 3D printer filament PLA, ABS, PEEK, TPU, etc. You can avoid scrap in the process of printing to get better printed results. On number 2 we have VoxLab 3D printer. It is easy to assemble and maintain with integrated structure and modular design. All lines are concealed in the machine. It's more convenient and safer for you to operate. The machine can automatically resume printing when power comes on. It won't print from scratch once meeting filament breakage, saving time and avoiding waste. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, that enabling you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. On number 1 we have TracePro 3D printer. The CR6 Max features a 400 by 400 mm build plate, with a towering 400 mm maximum build height. This means that you will be able to print much larger than is facilitated by the CR6 SE, without having to cut your model into pieces. As the printer uses a 24-volt power supply, the heated bed will be able to reach higher temperatures quicker and more easily. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.